How to buy Amazon Kindle gift card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily buy Amazon gift card online. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and just search in for amazon.com and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So once you're inside here, just search in for Kindle gift card digital. So once you search in for that, just make sure you click on this first link over here. So since it's a digital, you can just click on, you will be receiving this on your email rather than physical. So from here, just select enter your amount, select your amount of the price you want up to the worth it, that is click on this buy now button over here. From here, if you want more than one, you can also always change it later. And from over here, all you have to do is enter your card details, that is credit card or debit card, depends upon you. And once you select your payment method, just enter your booking or shipping details, that is your billing address, and click on order, and it should be sent inside your Gmail as a gift card. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.